Your beginning may explain you, but it does not define you. Some of the strongest people had the hardest starts. They learned how to survive before they learned how to heal. They carried burdens they never deserved. Yet somehow, they still found the courage to rise. Now that's strength. That's resilience. And that's royalty. You may not have had control over how your story started, but you do have power over the choices you make now. Every decision to heal, grow, forgive, learn, and keep going is rewriting your future chapter by chapter. Do not let shame convince you that your life cannot improve. Your mistakes are not your identity. Your setbacks are not your destiny. Sometimes the greatest comeback begins after the greatest disappointment. And remember this, transformation takes time. A powerful ending is built through consistent growth, not overnight success. Every small step forward matters. Every boundary matters. Every lesson matters. Every time you choose peace over chaos, faith over fear, and purpose over pain, you are changing your ending. There are people who may only remember who you used to be,